So let's look at Python. Python is the most, what do you say, what wanted language in the industry today. You have so many jobs and so many opportunities in Python in the market. And one of the main reasons is because it is widely used. For example, it has different kinds of applications like web development, software, database access, game development, and for recently artificial intelligence in desktop applications, network programming. You see a lot of wide variety of applications which Python has, and because of that reason it's most wanted language compared to the other language like C++ is mostly used for embedded and um, user applications. And and if you see in the job market like Indeed, if you search for Python you will see that it has the most number of jobs because of the stated reasons. Basically, since it's widely used in like C++ is mostly embedded, Java is mostly web development, and so but Python is widely used. It's used for testing, scripting, and it has a wide set of libraries, and that's main reason that it has so much potential. And you see around 6,000 jobs are available in Python. So if you learn the Python language as a syntax and as a language, then you can use it for applying for any job. And if you're a student, if you're fresh out of college, and that's the best language to learn because it is applied in different fields, so you can apply for a wide range of jobs in any sector like web development or in application development or in systems engineering. So I just search in different countries and it's the same. Python is one of the crucial languages. And as far as artificial intelligence is concerned, Python is also a very important language because of its libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow. Many of these languages use uh, Python, and it's very easy to learn. And that's another thing because the syntax is quite easy to learn. It's close to English, and for non-IT background, and if you're coming from new other domains, then that's the best way for you to learn. So once you run it, it easily interprets and you can see the results. And as you see, the demand for Python is going to just increase. That in the news it stated that around 1 million machine learning specialists are needed by 2027. And when you're talking about machine learning, artificial intelligence, Python is a very crucial language. So that will be the first stepping stone, even for data analytics, because Python also analyzes used for a lot of data analytics jobs, and it's widely used in tech. So do check Python. This course is completely about Python, so do check this course and leave me a feedback or a review what you would like to see more on this. I try to cover as far as possible in this course, but as you know, there are always things which you would like to see, and I design my course in mostly industry perspective and practical examples out of my own experience and out of others experiences, so that it doesn't just be a course of syntax, because syntax is something which you can learn on your own just if you invest time, but you need to know how it's applied in the real world and how you can use it to solve the problems. That will be the focus of my courses, and that's what you learn from my courses. That is, any technology you learn, how you apply it, and what are the real world problems. Everyone can run a code, everyone can compile and run a code, and you can just follow the syntax and run the code. That is fine. But what happens when you encounter errors is what I'm going to focus. As you see, the demand is in Python. Is these are the latest news, that's why I click. And if you see in that way, it is always in demand, and that will be my focus of the course. And that's the way I teach as a tutor. Like, I will break the code, that is, insert some errors and see what happens. And if you read the error messages, and you need to understand and interpret the error messages so that you can solve the problem. So that will be main focus. And as you see here, Python is, there are a lot of courses available, and you should look into this course and also try to use internet to learn more, and also the AI tools like ChatGPT to learn. It's a very good learning tool. If you want to learn programming, you can ask anything with it. And these you see here, most of the AI libraries like NumPy, Keras are all Python based, and that gives another advantage, that you are making yourself future ready. That is, when you learn Python, then you have the grasp, then you can slowly go to data analytics and then into artificial, because artificial intelligence is nothing without data. So everything is data. So you artificial is just an algorithm which basically consumes a lot of data, and for that you use Python to do a lot of operations. So do follow this course carefully and do leave a feedback and review. Thank you.